Welcome to your new Exodus wallet, your home for over 100 cryptocurrencies. We're excited to have you here. This quick guided tour will help you become familiar with the Exodus layout and its features. When opening Exodus for the first time, you are welcomed by the home screen. This is where you can find your overall portfolio information at a glance. Once you make your first deposit, Exodus will display a portfolio ring of your holdings. What you're seeing now is the portfolio section within the home screen. Just beneath the portfolio ring, you can view your wallet performance chart based on a selected time frame of 1 month, 6 months, 1 year, and your wallet's lifetime. Since this wallet is new, there won't be much to see at this point. But this is what it looks like in a wallet that has a history of dating back a few years. Mouse over the graph to see date and portfolio value details. The 24-hour change section displays your overall daily gains and losses. Next is the display of your wallet's highest balance. Your portfolio age. At this point, it's 1 day, so happy birthday. And the best and worst performing assets in your portfolio. Below your portfolio details is the market information. This area displays live market details for the assets you've enabled. What you'll see here is the current market price, 24-hour change, the market cap, the 30-day trend line, and if you hold the asset in Exodus, your coin balance, the fiat value of your balance, and its percentage of your portfolio. The market data can be sorted by any of the columns. If you don't see an asset you're expecting to be there, don't fret. We'll cover adding assets before we're through. The next tab in the home screen is the Transactions tab. Here is where you can see your wallet transaction history in one place. This list can be filtered by transaction type, sent, received, or exchange, and by the asset itself. Clicking on a transaction reveals more details about it. Finally, on the home screen is the What's New alert. Every 2 weeks, a new version of Exodus is released. Clicking this icon will help keep you up to date with the latest Exodus developments. The next item in the sidebar is the wallet. Clicking this will display all active asset wallets. There's a search bar at the top of the list to help you quickly find the ones you want without scrolling. You can also enable assets that Exodus supports by typing the name of the asset or ticker and selecting the wallet. Each wallet will look and feel similar, so you have the same experience with sending and receiving any asset. Some wallets have advanced options to further personalize how you like to use the asset. Here is where you'll see your individual asset balances in the asset denomination and fiat amounts in your selected local fiat currency. The Send button, where you can withdraw funds to another address, and the Receive button, where you'll find your unique public address which can be used to receive funds for the selected asset. Each wallet also has a 30-day chart of the asset's market price. Let's hope it always goes up and to the right. The Asset menu for individual wallets can be accessed by clicking the 3 dots in the upper right-hand corner. Here, you'll find options for specific actions like exporting your transactions and more. The next item in the sidebar is Exchange. This takes you to the built-in exchange feature where you can swap one asset for one of the other cryptocurrencies Exodus supports. No account registration is required to use this feature. You can choose how much of which asset you want to send or how much you would like to receive. Clicking the arrows will swap the to and from assets. Right above the Exchange button, you'll see exactly what is being exchanged and how much of an asset you can expect to receive. What you see is what you'll get. Once you click Exchange, the rate is locked in. Expect your requested asset to be delivered straight to your wallet. If you would like to keep track of the exchange, simply click the Exchange History button to display the details of all your current and past exchanges. If you ever have any questions, our customer support team is standing by to help 24 hours a day, 7 days a week at support@exodus.io. We'll cover the important and necessary backup section in a separate video. For now, let's hop over to the settings section. The settings section of the wallet is where you make overall global changes to your wallet and is divided into tabs. The first tab we see is Assets. This is where you can enable or disable assets. Enabling an asset activates its wallet and adds it to your portfolio so you can view its market information, send from and receive to your wallet, and exchange. Disabling an asset removes it from your portfolio. This action is not permanent, and you can always re-enable any asset anytime. If you're looking for a specific asset, just type the name in the search bar. Tick the asset to enable or disable it. An enabled asset will display a check mark next to the asset name. If you want to quickly enable or disable all assets, you can just click here. Assets with a balance cannot be disabled. You can filter between enabled and disabled assets or show only assets with a balance. The next tab in settings is Devices. Here, you can sync a new mobile wallet to your desktop wallet after it's been backed up. Adding a Trezor hardware wallet into the mix is done from this screen as well. Flip the toggle on and Exodus will automatically detect your connected Trezor hardware wallet. The Security tab allows you to set the wallet locking feature. This allows you to lock the wallet and will require your password when you want to send or exchange, or view your private information. Useful for those moments where you walk away from your computer and leave Exodus open. If you would like to see the fiat amounts in a national currency, you can set it in the Personalize tab. Type the national currency you'd like to see displayed, and Exodus will translate your crypto values to the national currency throughout the wallet. You can also select how Exodus looks with color, texture, and skin selections. And finally, the Layout section to enable the next generation of wallet navigation. We'll cover this new layout in another video. Last but not least is the Help screen. This is where you'll find quick access to Exodus content, the extensive Exodus support site, social profiles, support via email, asset statuses, and can confirm whether or not your wallet is up to date. A list of common questions is included here to help you get started. You're now an Exodus master. Let's make the first deposit. Go back to the home screen and click Send Assets to the wallet. This will open your Bitcoin wallet. If you would like to send another asset, just type the name in the search bar. In this example, we're going to send Bitcoin to Exodus from Coinbase, but you can send crypto to Exodus from any other platform. Click on the Receive tab and then click on the copy icon. Once you're in your Coinbase Bitcoin wallet, select the amount you want to send and paste in your Exodus address. Then hit send. That's all there is to it. You'll see a notification in Exodus as soon as the transaction has been added to your wallet. You are now in control of your crypto.